Hello Internet. Today we have this brand new, absolutely flawless in pristine condition 3090 from a dead brand EVGA, which will be missed. So what brings a 3090 in such great condition to a guy like me? People. People who ship pre-built computers with these massive cards installed and not properly supported are the reason why I exist. While trying to carefully open the card to preserve pads and putty, once inside, I began to wonder, what cracked PCB did the owner refer to? I didn't see any crack at the slot that we all expected. Instead, the crack is right here by the I/O shield. In case you didn't know, these cards have several layers of copper, and some of those layers are ground, power, and other signals, which we do not want to be shorted. So obvious thing to do at this point is to clean up the area and cover it up with the mask, just like that. Next I'll start taking some fundamental measurements using this short finder. I do want to point out though that this and a few other cards have very low resistance on 5V rail, such as 300 ohms. So if you see that, don't panic. Panic if you see 200. Fuses are okay, data lines and PEX reset, clock, all is looking good, so we can assume it's safe to power. And let's hope for the explosion. No explosion today, and no picture either. I'll switch to a different display adapter so I can run the memory test while seeing what's on the screen. And at first, it seems like the mods did not complain about anything. Yet the NVMT says that the chip A0 is completely gone. I'll run the test one more time and it passed again. Mods didn't complain and the NVMT is looking different. And it says that we have a problem with E0 instead of A1 as before. So what do we do when we have a memory error jump from one chip to another? Considering the fact that this card had suffered an impact, it makes perfect sense to start with the reball. Before I reball, I need to clean the core, and for whatever reason, the thermal paste on this brand new, never used GPU is so dry that even alcohol can't dissolve it. I had to resort to my magic pad. With that done, let's reball. Reball is done. Let's power this thing on and hopefully it'll blow up this time. Oh well, maybe next time. Now let's plug this thing into a computer and hopefully this time we'll get a pass. And the fact that we have a picture confirms no errors, so let's take a quick look around with the sensors and the valley and the far mark just for a second to make sure that we don't crash. And that should be it. All that's left now is to assemble the card and plug it in directly into the motherboard and run the last set of tests. That is it for this repair. I hope you guys have learned something from this video, and if so, please hit me with the like button, subscribe for more repairs, and goodbye.